مرحبا الصف الأول، كيف حالكم؟ اليوم today is الاثنين Monday 27 2020. Thank you very much for the beautiful lanterns. فانوس Ramadan you made, and thank you for sharing your photos holding them. Thank you very much. I really like it. And for now, let's have an overview of your Arabic lesson for today.
As you know, we have started learning the l sound as in ليمون, lisan, and لعبة. Today we are going to explore the short vowels these words have. For that, at the end of our Arabic lesson today, we expect you, our lovely students, to be able to say the l sound with short vowels. Start by choosing one learning level from the available options. The first level is where you read the l sound with short vowels. In the second level, you read the l sound but in words. Finally, the third level requires mixing the l sounds and words. For the activity parts, you need to choose the activity you like from the available options. The first activity is Cups Memory Game. For the game, you need 3 cups and a marker, or a pencil with post-it notes. The second activity is Walking Song. To create the song, you need post-it notes and a pencil. Looking forward to receiving your activity videos on Seesaw. And for now, let's enjoy listening to the l sound with short vowels song.
اللام مع الفتحة لا 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 لا. اللام مع الضمة لو 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 لو. اللام مع الكسرة لي 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 لي. واللام مع الساكن لا 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 لا. اللام المفتوحة لبؤة لا 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 لبؤة. اللام المضمومة لعبة لو 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 لعبة. اللام المكسورة لباس لي 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 لباس. اللام الساكنة قلب لا 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 قلب.
Do you still remember what is our target for today? Well done. It is to read the l sound with short vowels. Do it. I can recognize the short vowels. Use it. I can say the l sound with short vowels. On it, I can read the l sound with short vowels in words. I'm sure that you still remember your short vowels. If I say fatha, you will say the sound of ah. Well done. أحسنتم. And if I say kasra, you will say the sound of I. Well done. أحسنتم. If I say dhamma, you will say the sound of U. Well done. أحسنتم.
And now let's add our short vowels to l sound. L with fatha, la la. Well done. أحسنتم. Next, l with kasra, li li. Well done. أحسنتم. And lastly, l with dhamma, lu lu. Well done. أحسنتم.
It's time to read with Jack. مرحبا Jack. مرحبا. Jack is busy to listen to Mr. Short. He's giving him advice to read all the E with short sounds for today. Are you ready, my lovely students, to help Jack in reading his words for today with Mr. Short? Okay, ready, Jack? The first one is La, I, Mu, N. My lovely students, ليمون, ليمون. Well done. أحسنتم. Next, Jack. لي, سا, ن. My lovely students, لسان, لسان. Well done. أحسنتم. What, Jack? You are right. I think you too, my lovely students, notice same of Jack that lisan word has two straight lines for the joint L and the non-joint A. Give thumbs up to Jack and yourselves and say, well done. أحسنتم. And lastly, Jack. لو, bah. My lovely students, لعبة, لعبة. Well done. أحسنتم. I think it's time to go to eat ليمون with your lisan and enjoy playing time with لعبة, لعبة. مع السلامة جاك. مع السلامة. I have prepared the cups game to play with Mr. Short. لي, لسان. لا, ليمون. لو, لعبة. Ready, Mr. Short? Turn around. Okay, let's hide. Li for lisan, don't tell him. Okay, Mr. Short. What is the missing cup? Li for lisan. He did it. Give him thumbs up and say, well done. أحسنت. But you know what, Mr. Short? You need to succeed 3 times to win the game. But for now, we can play on our own while the students play with their parents. You can pause the video and revise these instructions. Enjoy Mr. Short walking and singing. La, 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 ليمون, ليمون, ليمون. لي, 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 لسان, 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 لسان. لو, 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 لعبة, لو. Stop, Mr. Short. It's your turn, my lovely students. You can pause the video to read the instructions of walking song. This is an optional activity. Challenge reading and writing with Jack. Can you help Jack to read and write yogurt in Arabic? Join the letters, read the words, read it, take a video and share it on Seesaw. And remember to enjoy playing the online game Match the Words to the correct L sound with short vowels. You can play the game by clicking on the link below the video. And finally, let's recap what we have learned for today. We learned the L sound with short vowels. La as in ليمون. Li as in lisan. Lu as in لعبة. I hope you enjoyed your Arabic lesson for today. شكرا لكم الصف الأول. مع السلامة.